Welcome to Alphorn Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear spoiler, electronic stability control, keyless entry, heated front seats, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, parking sensors, rear view camera, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1962, Alphorn Ford has been proudly serving our community. Our friendly and experienced staff will take the time and effort to make sure that you have the best purchasing experience. We provide a low-pressure environment because we want to make sure that our customers go home in a vehicle that is just right for them. So come visit us today. Alphorn Ford. If our name is on it, you have our word on it. We're located at 2985 18th Avenue in Monroe.